Hello students, a very good morning to all. Today in this video we will know about how can we insert a chart into the PowerPoint. So first of all we will know about what is the means of chart. So a chart, it is a tool which user to use to communicate the data with a graphically. So with the help of this chart, the user can easy to understand and interpret the data easily in pictorial representation. So with the help of chart, you can simple represent the data in a graphical way. So first we will open the PowerPoint. So we will go to the start icon and click. Then after we will go to the all program. Then search the Microsoft Office folder. So here this is the Microsoft Office folder. Then click this Microsoft Office folder. Then we will click the Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. So the PowerPoint window will be open. Then after we have to insert a new slide, a blank slide. Yeah, simple, you can cut this slide. So first we have to select the particular slide and then after cut. So the slide will be blank. Then after we will go to the insert tab. So here this is the illustration group. So with the help of this illustration group we will go to the chart icon. So simple click chart icon. So the one window will be appear. So here the many charts are available. Suppose you want to create a column chart, then column chart you have to select, otherwise you have to select the other option. So here I have selected the column chart, and the column chart have we will select this one icon. So select and then we will click the OK. So the default chart will be inserted in your PowerPoint slide. So here this is a chart and here this is the Excel file. So with the help of this Excel file you can simple edit this chart entries. So suppose here is the category 1, category 2 and category 3 and category 4, and there is a some bar, and here series 1, series 2, series 3. So this is the legend. So with the help of this legend you can easy to identify the what is the length of the particular bar. So first we will know about some information about this chart. So here this horizontal line, so horizontal line is represent to the x-axis, and here is the this is the 0 to 6. So 0 to 6 it is a vertical line. So vertical line we will call the vertical axis. So this is the y-axis, and here this horizontal line, 6 horizontal line, 5 horizontal line. So this is a level. So this is a level. With the help of this level you can easy to understand what is the length of the particular bar. Understand? So then after we will edit some entries, and we will make some report card to the student. So here first we will update some entries into this Excel. So category 1, and here we will write the name of student. So suppose the first name of student is others. Then after second one Manoj. So when we edit the name, then this name is automatically is converted and changes the value of the particular chart. Then after category 3 Ayush, and fourth one is Sanjay. So there I have 4 students, and thereafter we will write some subject name. So here series 1, and series 1 first we will write the Hindi, Sanskrit and computer. So this is the subject name. Then after you can simple write the marks of Hindi. So 78, 85, 78 and 89. So when you will enter the marks, so automatically the var have increases, and here this value is also be increases, means 0 to 19. Then after Sanskrit marks 95, 89, 78 and 98. So when we will edit and enter the marks, so automatically the var have automatically changes. So here this is a Hindi marks. So Hindi marks is denoted the blue, and this is the Sanskrit marks. So Sanskrit is this is the Sanskrit marks, and computer marks is the icon is green. Then after we will last one entry the computer marks. So then after we will 98, 95, 99 and 94. So once you have finished the entering the data in the cell, then you can simple close the Excel file, because they don't have don't need to open the Excel file, because automatically the data will be saved in the this slide. And this is the final chart. Then after you can customize your this chart. So first, suppose you want to customize this chart, then simple go to the design tab. Then after we will go to the this chart style group. So you have many styles are available, so simple select the any style. So when you will select the any style, then automatically the style will be applied to the previous chart, and changes also be applied. So suppose we will select this style, then automatically the style will be applied to the given chart. So this is the process for creating a chart and customize your chart. So thanks for watching this video.